MRIA's Certified Marketing Research Professional designation, the CMRP, signifies a high level of knowledge and capability in marketing research theory and practice, as well as adherence to rigorous ethical standards set out by the MRIA's Code of Conduct and Good Practice. There are over 400 CMRPs, each have different reasons for obtaining the designation. The following members will give us insight as to why they feel it's important for a researcher to become certified, and to tell us about their pathway towards gaining the title CMRP.
The CMRP program offered me the opportunity to get a grounding in quantitative research that has really supported me in my career as a market researcher.
I thought that it would give me a level of credibility, perhaps, that I didn't have just based on my degree.
I saw it as something that I could use to validate my expertise in this area and kind of separate myself from the classmates that I had just graduated with.
It's important to set examples, especially coming from someone who used to be on the client side, to really set that example for the rest of the industry. It reinforced to my marketing partners in terms of my understanding of market research. And also just a basic understanding, because I know everyone can say that they know market research, but having that endorsement from the MRIA, I think it speaks much louder.
Whenever I submit a proposal for a project and include a bio, I do have CMRP next to my name, and I include the information about my CMRP membership and also some of the other activities I've undertaken with the MRIA.
It was a professional development move for me, and again, as I said before, proving that that even though you have a science degree, you have the fundamentals of the marketing research industry as well.
We are in an increasingly regulated environment, and I think it's important for our industry association, as it lobbies, to be able to say that it facilitates and regulates an educational program with its members and encourages members to go through a program that educates them about ethical standards and ethical practice.
It's some form of evidence that they have the fundamentals, and they're interested in advancing the industry in Canada.
Knowing that you have somebody who has gone through the process and who is applying those methodologies and those standards and putting them into practice really sets us apart.
Having a CMRP designation, I think it set our industry into a certain level of standard, a much higher standard than what we had before.
Employers are looking for that designation on resumes as they go to hire, and so it simply levels the playing field between someone who's new to the industry and other people who are pursuing it and intend to get the designation.
New students to Canada, it shows that they have a knowledge of the fundamentals of the market research industry in this new country of theirs.
I definitely would recommend it to students coming out of the program. It's just an easy stepping stone.
When I was on the client side, I interview a lot of candidates for positions, and it allows me, if I know someone who has a CMRP designation, knowing what CMRP offers, I will definitely pick those students.
I would encourage people who are established in the industry or thought leaders in the industry to consider getting the CMRP. I know that the MRIA has set up a system where they can apply for the CMRP designation and be assessed on the merits of their long experience in the industry.
It may be a benefit to their industry to lead by example.
It's really going to set them apart from others in the industry.
It's so nice having the CMRP just right beside your name. Right, because at the same time, I think it just gives a credibility in terms of what you offer.
To begin your pathway in becoming a certified marketing research professional, visit mria.ca.